Drawing pencil. Drawing pencil is made up of graphite with kaolin clay, varying in amount to make 18 grades. Moreover, drawing pencil has 3 uses. The first one is for marking. The second one is for lettering. And the last one is for sketching or drawing. Three pencil points. The first one is conical, shaped like a cone and used for general purposes. It is looked like this. Next is elliptical. It is for compass work. It is looked like that. And the chisel or wedge is used for making straight lines mechanically and look like that. This is the proper sharpening of the drawing pencil, 1.5 inch, and for the lid or the graphite, it should be 3/8 inch. Drawing pencil has grades. It was located on its body. It may be hard, medium, or soft. Hard. It is used for making plans, charts, or graphs. Grades under it are 4H, 5H, 6H, 7H, 8H, and 9H. Medium. For general purposes. Grades under it are 2H, 2H, H, F, and B. And soft. It is used for artworks. 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, and 7B. And that's all for the grades of pencils. Hope that you learned!